Hello and welcome back to IXL Tutorials. This is Mr. Duffick, and today we are doing dilations, specifically IXL L11, where we are graphing said dilations. So each of these problems gives you a graph with a shape on it, and it asks you to dilate that shape by a certain scale factor. So the scale factor is just a number you are going to multiply essentially the original shape by to get your new shape. So a scale factor higher than 1 is going to be making your shape larger, whereas a scale factor that's a fraction or something lower than 1 is going to make it smaller. Okay, scale factor is also called a zoom factor. So this question is asking you to dilate this triangle with a scale factor of 3. It's also called a zoom factor from the origin. So this is what I would do. I would go to each point on this shape and find the coordinate and then do the scale factor of that. So for instance, we'll start here at m. Well, the coordinate for m is 0, 2, right? 0, 2. So I would just multiply each of those numbers by 3 and you'll be done. So what is 0 times 3? That is 0. And then what is 2 times 3? That is 6. So we're at 0, 6. So m prime is going to be at 0, 6. Okay? Now we're going to go to L. L is at negative 3, 2. Okay, negative 3, 2. So what is negative 3 times 3? That's negative 9. And then what is 2 times 3? That is going to be 6. So let's bring it up here. Okay. And then we'll do the last point, K. K is at negative 3, 0. So what is negative 3 times 3? That is going to be at negative 9 right here. And then 0 times 3, of course, is at 0. So we'll just leave it there. Okay? And we just dilated our figure by a scale factor of 3 about the origin. Okay. Let's do another one. Scale factor of 4. Okay, so we'll go to V. V is at negative 1, 2. And so we will multiply both of those numbers by 4. Negative 1 times 4 is negative 4, so we'll be at negative 4. And then 2 times 4 is positive 8, so we'll go to positive 8. So negative 4, positive 8. All right. Now we'll go down to S, and S looks like it's at negative 1, negative 2. So negative 1 times 4 is going to be negative 4. And then negative 2 times 4 is going to be negative 8. So I'm going to bring this all the way down here to negative 8. Okay. Now we'll do T. T is at 2, negative 2. So 2 times 4 is going to be 8. So we'll go to the 8. And then 4 times negative 2 is going to be negative 8. So we'll go down to negative 8 here. Okay. Then you can do one of two things. You could either do the same thing for you, or you can just kind of eyeball it and see you are dilating a figure. It's not going to change shape at all. It will change size, but it's still going to be that same rectangle, just bigger. So this looks accurate. I'll just place the point there and click submit. Just be careful if you do that. Okay. All right. Now we go to a dilation with a scale factor of 1/3. So like I was saying earlier, if something has a scale factor of less than 1, or in the form of a fraction like this, that means the shape is going to get smaller. So you can think about it the same way. You can multiply your coordinates by this number right here, or you can just divide it by 3. So we'll do J, and J is at 0, 6. So what is 0 divided by 3? Well, that's 0 still. And then what is 6 divided by 3? That is going to be 2. So our new coordinate is 0, 2. Okay, next we'll do K. K is at 3, 6. So what is 3 divided by 3? That's going to be 1. So I go to the X for 1. And then what is 6 divided by 3? That's going to be 2. So then up here. Okay, let's do L. L is at 3, 9. So 3 divided by 3 is 1 here. And then 9 divided by 3 is 3. So it's going to be right here. Okay, and then again, we'll just draw the rest of the shape like that and then submit it. Good work. Okay, same thing, scale factor there. You're just going to divide each of the coordinates by 3. Okay, again, divide each of the coordinates by 3. And it looks like I'll just do this problem and then call it a day because it's not letting me go any higher than this, meaning the rest of the problems are just like it. So that's good news. Okay, so we'll go to F, and F is at 3, 9, so 3 divided by 3 is going to be 1, so right here, or right here. And then 9 divided by 3 is going to be 3, so right here. So that's going to be our first point, F. Then we will go to E. E is at 3, negative 9, so what is 3 divided by 3? That's going to be 1. And what is negative 9 divided by 3? That is negative 3. So right here. Okay, H is at 6, negative 3. So what is 6 divided by 3? That'll be 2. So we'll go back to the 2. And then what is negative 3 divided by 3? That is negative 1. So we'll go up here to negative 1 and click. Okay, now G is going to be at 6, 0. So what is 6 divided by 3? That is 2. So 2. And then what is 0 divided by 3? That, of course, is 0. So 3, 0, or 2, 0 is going to be right here. All right, and we just successfully dilated our shape with a scale factor of 1/3. Good. Okay, so that is where I'm going to end the video. Stay safe, study hard, and catch you for the next IXL tutorial. Goodbye.